Feeling the cold? CBM Plumbing and Heating can install brand new central heating or bring your existing one up to scratch. We can install new bathrooms or boilers, fix gas leaks, fix toilets and leaky taps. We understand that life is hectic, which is why we carry out all our work at a time to suit you. We're proud of the fact we have built a high reputation for providing our customers with a fantastic service and always at a competitive price. For a free estimate, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us today at CBM Plumbing and Heating.